All the Outlierman products are entirely handmade in Italy by specialized and experienced craftsmen. We choose the finest leather and skills in order to enhance the exclusivity of our creation through the unique beauty of these refined materials.
Our workshops
Are located in some of the most prestigious areas in Italian excellence for accessories. Places such as Naples and Como, where the art of silk and glove making have been handed down for centuries as the major representative of high quality and unmatched handwork.